Very excited to be taking a new form of transport today. We are taking a tractor. They don't go fast, but these tractors are quite amazing. They also use them to plow the rice fields. They put these different wheels on it that have like paddles to churn through the rice fields, and there's no thing there on the back. They just use it to plow the field. They can switch on regular wheels, put on the carriage on the back, and then they've got a form of transport as well. So it's a very adaptable and versatile engine that I guess meets a lot of their daily needs. Enjoying it? This is our local guide, Lucky.
Hello, I'm Lucky. So we will to the Kong Lang Lakes or Blue Lagoon. Yeah, we can try to swim later.
Yeah, on our way to the Blue Lagoon by tractor. What's missing the fuel cap as well. I gotta say, driving these things is pretty challenging. Bye-bye. Away we go again. I'd say these put a few people in hospital every year.